Sabi ni Wency, Sir, what's the difference between buy and hold, peso cost averaging, and strategic averaging method? Okay, thank you. So again, these three are stock investing strategy. So yung buy and hold, for example, meron kang lump sum, meron kang malaking pera, you will find a company na undervalued or mababa yung kanyang price relative to its appraised value. So, bibili ka nun, tapos i-hold mo yung shares mo for many years. Okay? So, lahat ngayon ng mga companies are cheap kasi nga because of the pandemic, bumaba yung price. So, any company that meets the GEMS criteria is a good candidate for a buy and hold strategy. So, basically, yun lang siya. One time, big time na bibili ka, tapos you just hold the shares for many, many years. Yung peso cost averaging, of course, kung meron kang malaking pera, you want to minimize the risk kasi syempre hindi natin alam kung bababa or tataas. So you can do cost averaging. You divide your money into several tranches, or sabihin na natin na kung meron kang 100,000, so sabihin na natin na tigpa 5,000. So for 20 months, you invest 5,000 every month. Okay? So if you can afford to do it for a long time, the better. So pag peso cost averaging, you buy a fixed amount of stocks for regular periods of time. So pwedeng monthly, every 2 months, pwedeng quarterly. Siguro maximum na yung quarterly kasi parang hindi na siya cost averaging kung every 6 months or once a year ka lang bumili. So at least man lang every 3 months. So bumibili ka. So, ano yung strategic averaging method? So, according to Truly Rich Club, ito yung parang peso cost averaging pero medyo may timing, no? So, since yung SAM, it's more of a medium to long-term investing strategy. So, maghahanap ka pa rin ng gems, and then what you do is, before you buy, meron kang target profit. Okay? Tapos, you buy meron kang buy below price. Okay? So, let's just have an example. One of the SAM or strategic averaging method stocks is yung Security Bank. So, meron ang gagawin mo, you buy Security Bank stocks regularly. Pero meron kang nakaset na buy below price, which is, I think, 120 pesos. Right now, Security Bank is around 100 pesos. Ang buy below price mo is 120 pesos, for example. So, I can't remember anymore kung ano yung buy below price na sinet ng Truly Rich, ng TRC, no? So, you buy yung Security Bank as long as it is below the buy below price. So, as long as it is lower than 120 pesos, bibilhin mo siya regularly. Ngayon, once na lumagpas na siya doon sa buy below price, you stop buying. And now you wait for the target profit. So, ang target profit niya is 150 pesos, for example. So, once na ma-reach niya yung 150 pesos, ibibenta mo na siya. So, merong element of timing the market. That's why it's a bit hard to do strategic averaging method on your own. A lot of people who do strategic averaging method are actually getting instructions inside the Truly Rich Club or the TRC. So, a friend of mine is a member of TRC. So, minsan nakikwento niya sa akin kung ano yung ginagawa nila sa loob ng TRC, particularly sa stock market side or doon sa strategic averaging method. So, medyo mas complicated yung SAM. If you don't want to sign up as a member for TRC, then you can just do peso cost averaging. Ngayon, if you really don't have a lot of money or you cannot commit to investing regularly, then you can just do a buy and hold strategy. Okay, so that's how you invest in the stock market. Of course, there are other strategies that you can do, pero I will leave all of that to you for research. But these are the basic ones that I usually recommend for beginners. Right?